Hey guys, welcome back to SPB Creative. In this video, I'll be showing you all 5 of my favorite lip gloss which does suit dusky skin tone really well. So let's get started. The very first lip gloss I'm going to show you guys is from the brand called Lotus, and in the shade Candy Floss, and it retails for $225 for 5 ml of product. The packaging of this one is pretty good, but the doe foot applicator is not that great. It's very stiff, but then we can adjust, and this one is very sheer and it has got tiny little shimmer particle to it, and it acts very best as a top coat because it doesn't disturb the lipstick underneath, and we can wear it as it is, but then it doesn't have that much pigmentation. But still, as a top coat, I really like it, and it's not very sticky. So next lip gloss I'm going to show you all is from the brand called Blue Heaven, and it's the shade Nude Pink, and it retails for $105, and it's very affordable. The packaging is very good. Doe foot applicator is also very nice, and the shade is actually an orangey shade. It's not very vibrant orange, it's a very nice nudie orange, and it's very beautiful shade to wear it as it is, and also as a top coat. It's not very sticky also, and I should say it's worth for the money. And next lip gloss is from VOSTE in the shade Mercier Rose, and it retails for $5.99, but then we can always get it in good discount from Amazon, and I don't know whether it is there in Nykaa, I'm not sure. And it's a very pigmented lip gloss, and it is very less sticky. That is something where I like it. We can wear it as it is and also as a top coat. It's very pigmented, that's what I should say. It's very beautiful shade. Next one is from the brand called Miss Claire in the shade 113, and it retails for $125, and I should say this is my favorite lip gloss. For the money we pay, this is the best lip gloss, and it's very sticky. The pigmentation is very great. This shade suits dusky skin tone very well, and it's a everyday beautiful shade, and I should say that this is my favorite shade out of all the 5. This is my favorite lip gloss out of all the 5. So this is worth for the money. Go ahead and buy it. Next one is from the brand called EYETEX DAZLLER, and it retails for 45 rupees. It's a very tiny lip gloss, very cute, and the packaging is really nice, and it's a very dark mauvey shade, and it suits dusky skin tone really well, but it's very sticky. That's the only thing I found as a negative, and else the shade is perfect, and the texture is very nice. It acts as very well as it is and as a top coat. So that's it guys. I really hope you guys will enjoyed watching this. If so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.